Introducing SOUMEN'S Elegante Heavy Duty Air Conditioner. The super expandable inverter adjusts its cooling capacity when the indoor or outdoor temperature is high. With the press of a button, Frost Self-Clean technology gives you the option of having a wet indoor wash. The flip-flop feature allows better air distribution across the room. Triple Inverter Plus offers better cooling performance with energy saving of up to 65%. Easy Convertible 5-in-1 allows you to operate AC in different modes depending on the ambient temperature. Enjoy quality and trust assurance with 5 years comprehensive warranty. SOUMEN'S Elegante Heavy Duty Air Conditioner.